Good afternoon again, guys. Um, so let's do more examples with these linear equations, but let's look at a little bit like let's move closer to more difficult questions, right? Let's take you have 5y, right, plus 3 plus 2y, right, is equal to 5 plus 3y plus 7. It's a long question, but don't be scared. It's still the same concepts that we're going to be applying. So the first rule, as I said, you collect variables. I'll just write it as v onto left hand side. Your left hand side is this one, this side, guys. So I have a 5y there, I have a plus 3 there, I have a 2y there, equal to 5 plus 3y plus 7. So I want this 3y to jump the equal to sign and come this side, right? So I have 5y plus 3 plus 2y. The positive 3y becomes a minus 3y, right? And then this is all equal to 5. This one is gone now, so don't rewrite it there, and you just have a 7 there, right? And then now my second step is to collect your constants. I'll just write it as c onto your right hand side. So my constants here, I have a 3 here. I want this 3 to go all the way to the other side, all the way to the right hand side. So what do I have left on my on my left hand side? The 3 is gone now. I have 5y plus 2y minus 3y is equal to, right? Here you start with whatever you have on that side. So I have a 5, I have a plus 7, and then this positive 3 comes that side and becomes a minus 3. Still with me, right? So now, if you look at your equation, all my variables are on my left hand side and all my constants are on my right hand side. So my final step now is to simplify and solve. Simplify and solve. So what is 5 plus 2? What does that give you? 5 plus 2. That just gives you 7y. So I'll write 7y minus 3y is equal to, what is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 gives you 12, right? So I'll write 12 there minus 3. Am I done? No, I'm not done. I still need to add and simplify these. So it is 7y minus 3y. It's as if you're just subtracting normal numbers here, guys. It's like subtracting a 7 minus 3. What is that? That just gives you 4. So the fact that it was y, you just put a y there. 12 minus 3 gives you 9. So now I have 4y is equal to 9. What is the final step now? The final step is you have to divide by the coefficient of y. So input there. Divide by coefficient of y. So the coefficient of y here is 4. So say 4y divided by 4, 9 divided by 4. Remember, guys, I divide both sides by 4. I don't just divide my left hand side, but I divide both sides. So this 4 and that 4 cancel. I have y. 9 divided by 4, you can write it as just 9 over 4, or you can write it as a, what do you call it, a mixed number. So how many 4s are there? There's 2 of them, and there's just 2 1 over 4, right? And that's my final answer. It's as simple as that, guys. So let me just take you through it again. The first step was to collect all the variables on the left hand side, take my 3y, bring it to my left hand side, becomes a negative 3y. Second step was to collect all constants to my right hand side, take the positive 3, take it to the right hand side, it becomes a negative 3, right? My final step, my second last step, was to simplify. So I add and subtract all these like terms. I add and subtract my constants, right? And then I end up with something like this. 4y is equal to 9. But I'm not done. I'm looking for just the y, the variable y. I want to know what the variable is. So I have to divide by the coefficient of the variable there, which is 4. And I divide by 4 that side as well. And then now I find that y is equal to 2 quarters, or 2 and 1 quarter.